Here's how to set the day, date, and time on a Seiko Prospex watch. First, locate the crown. Begin by attempting to pull it out with a small amount of force. If it does not click out, you likely have a screw down crown. In this case, you want to grip the crown and twist it towards you. It may be on fairly tight, so don't be afraid to twist with a little bit of force. Once it has come loose, keep twisting until it pops out. Pull it out to the second position to change the day and date. Twist towards you to change the date and away from you to change the day. Once they've been set, pull the crown out to the third and final position where you can set the time. Twist the crown to set the time, and once you've done that, push the crown back into the first position. To ensure the watch is weather sealed, you have to screw the crown back down. And to do that, just apply downwards pressure on the crown as if you're pushing it in, while simultaneously twisting the crown away from you. It may not catch on the threads immediately, so don't be afraid to untwist the crown and try again. Okay, so there you go. Now you know how to change the day, date, and time on your Seiko Prospex watch. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.